everyone, Josh from Speedy Towbars here, today to take you through a product you all know and love, the Redarc Tow-Pro Elite. The Redarc Tow-Pro changed the way we use and install brake units in Australia. With a remote mounted unit and small dash mounted dial, it's elevated our aesthetics and function in our vehicle installs. Outside of how the Tow-Pro mounts, one of its main features that's made it so popular is its proportional braking system, meaning it brakes as hard as you brake in your vehicle. No more time settings, no more time delays, it brakes with you in instant response. Another feature of the Tow-Pro is its dual modes, proportional braking for highway and everyday use, and time-delayed mode for off-roading or four-wheel driving. This makes it particularly popular across the four-wheel drive community, meaning they have full function of their trailer brakes, even while doing some serious off-roading. Using our display here will demonstrate how to operate your Redarc Tow-Pro Elite. Inside your vehicle, you're going to see a dial. This will be the only visible piece of your brake unit install. We leave the dial at halfway for aesthetic reasons and so that when you plug your trailer in, you have full function. When you initially plug your brake controller in, your dial here is going to illuminate blue and green. That is completely normal, completely safe, and completely still fun to use. Once your brake unit calibrates, it will turn to a solid blue light. As you can see, using the replicated brake pedal here for your vehicle, as I slowly push on the brakes, they come on slowly. If I have to push fast, they come on fast. This is the easiest way to indicate the proportional braking feature and how quickly it reacts to your responsiveness inside the vehicle. To adjust your brake controller dial, simply turn it up and down. And as you can see, the brakes get brighter and dimmer, indicating how much power is allowed to go to your trailer upon braking. A safety feature all brake controllers use is manual override. In the Tow-Pro Elite, simply pushing and holding the button activates just the brakes on your trailer. This is beneficial in an instance where you have trailer sway or in any instance where you need to slow just the trailer down so your vehicle can be pulling it safely. At Speedy Towbars, we fit over 1,000 Tow-Pro Elites a year. So if you have any questions or would like to get your electric brake controller fitted, please pop into one of our stores or give our friendly team a call.